Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised, we're continuing with the series of questions for IGCSE Edexcel Maths. This series can be also used for GCSE Edexcel Maths, O-Level Maths, and IGCSE Cambridge 0580 Maths as well. Because as you know, the topics are pretty much similar, and the way you're supposed to solve is also pretty much the same. So we're now on the topic fractions, where we'll be talking about the different types of questions that come for fractions in the exam. We can have mixed numbers being multiplied, can have mixed numbers being divided, added, and subtracted. So either of these can come. So we're going to practice a question for each of these for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And as you would know that in the past papers, this question only comes for 3 marks. And these 3 marks can be easily scored because the best part about this is that they give the answer in the question. As you can see over here, they give you an equation and they're asking us to show that when you solve the left-hand side, it would give the answer on the right-hand side. So once again, these 3 marks, very scoring. You can easily score these marks if you know how to solve questions with fractions. Now, first thing you need to know about these is how to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction. So what's given over here, this is a mixed number. So 2 whole number, 4/7 is a mixed number. So we have to convert this mixed number into an improper fraction. So improper fractions are fractions where your numerator, which is the number that's written at the top, is bigger than the denominator, which is the number that's written at the bottom. So to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, what we do is we multiply the denominator and the whole number. So I'm going to do 2 times 7, which is 14. And then we're going to add the result to the numerator. So 14 plus 4, which is 18. So this is your numerator. And denominator will remain the same. So now 2 whole number 4/7 as an improper fraction is going to be 18/7. That is your improper fraction. This became this. So to solve these questions, you need to know how to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction, and then we can move forward with solving the equation. So as you can see, 2 whole number 4/7 was 18/7, and 1 whole number 1/8 is going to be 8 times 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so 9/8. So we replace the mixed numbers with the improper fractions. 18/7 divided by 9/8. So when we're dividing fractions, what you need to know is that we flip the second fraction, which means we take the reciprocal. So when we take the reciprocal, we swap the numerator with the denominator, and we change the division into multiplication. So 18/7 times 8/9 now. As you can see, division became multiplication, and 9/8 is now 8/9. We flip the fraction. Next step is to see if we can simplify the fractions or not. To see if we can simplify it or not, the simplification can be done vertically or diagonally, not horizontally. Horizontally, you can just multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. But to simplify, we can divide the numbers vertically or diagonally. So we know 18 can be divided by 9 because 9 ones are 9 and 9 twos are 18. So 2 times 8/7 times 1. 2 times 8 is 16, 7 times 1 is 7. Now this is an improper fraction. They want the answer in a mixed number. So now we're going to do the opposite. We're going to convert the improper into a mixed number. To do that, what we will do is we will divide 16 by 7. Now we know 16 does not come with 7 times table, but a number that's directly less than 16 That comes to 7 times table is 14. So 2 sevens are 14. We have a remainder of 2, which means 16 over 7 can be rewritten as 2 whole number, 2 over 7, which is exactly the same as given in the question. So these are your basic steps for solving questions with fractions. Obviously, it can be different based on whether you're multiplying the fractions, adding, or subtracting. In this case, we were dividing. So this step change, where we're supposed to change the division 2 times and then flip the second fraction, then solve it. But the first step, where you have to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction, that is the same for all types of fraction questions. Now for the next one, as you can see, they're asking us to subtract the two fractions, and they've given us the answer once again. And it's a 3-mark question. So these type of questions come in like the first 6 questions, you will get a fraction question, and it's mostly in paper 1. If it doesn't come in paper 1, then obviously it'll come in paper 2, depending on, depending on which topic comes in which one. So let's convert the 7 whole number 1 over 3 again into an improper. We will multiply 7 by 3, which is 21, and 21 plus 1 is 22. So 22 over 3 minus, again, 7 times 3 is 21. 21 plus 4 is 25. So 25 over 7. Now over here, we're subtracting the fractions, not multiplying or dividing. So by now you would know that when we're adding or subtracting fractions with unlike denominators, we're supposed to make the denominators equal first. To make the denominators equal, we'll find the lowest common multiple. Or the other thing you can do is you can multiply the first fraction by the second denominator, and then the second fraction by the first denominator. So keeping that in mind, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by 7 for the first fraction. And then for the second fraction, both the numerator and denominator are multiplied by 3. Now, when you do 7 times 3, that's 21 for both the fractions. So 22 times 7 is going to be 154, and 25 times 3 is going to be 75. Remember, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by the numbers, not just the denominator. If you just multiply the denominator by the numbers, your answer will be incorrect. So now we can subtract the numerators because the denominators are same. So 154 minus 75 is 79 over 21. Next step is to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So as we did previously, we divide 79 by 21. So we can see that 21 times 2 is 42, 21 times 3 is 63, and 21 times 4 is 84. So we'll use 3. Because 21 times 3 gives us a number that's directly less than 79. So 21 times 3 is 63. 79 minus 63 is 16. So as given the question, the answer is going to be 3 whole number 16 over 21. Always make sure that the quotient is your whole number. The remainder is your numerator. And denominator will always be the same unless you simplify the fraction if possible. So this is how you solve questions with fractions where they're being subtracted. In addition, the method is going to be the same as well. The only difference is that in the middle, it's going to be addition instead of subtraction. Now for this one, I would like to pause the video first. Try to solve this question on your own. You know the steps. You know that you have to convert the mixed number into an improper fraction first, make the denominator same, then subtract the numerators, and then again convert it into a mixed number. So press pause, solve it, and then check would be if your answer is incorrect or correct. So we convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So 8 over 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 over 4. Now we make the denominators equal. We multiply the first fraction by 4 because that's the denominator of the second fraction. We multiply the second fraction by 3 because that's the denominator of the first fraction. 4 times 8 is 32 over 12 plus 15 times 3 is 45 over 12. Add the numerators. 32 plus 45 is 77. Since it's an improper fraction, we want the answer in a mixed number, we divide 77 by 12. So you know that 12 times 5 is 60. 12 times 6 is 72. So we can take 12 times 6, 72. Subtract the 2, that gives us 5 as the remainder. So as given the question, the answer is 6 whole number, 5 over 12. Let me know in the comments below if your answer was the same as mine. If not, what did you do wrong and what do you think can be done to correct it? Next, we have multiplication. So far we've done division, subtraction, addition, and the last one is multiplication. So we have a mixed number being multiplied with a proper fraction. So first step is the same, convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. So for that, we times 3 by 4, which is 12. And then 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 over 4 times 7 over 9. Now we see whether we can simplify it. As I told you before, simplification can be done vertically or diagonally. We can see that vertically we can't simplify it, but diagonally we can see that 15 and 9 come with the same times table. 9 times 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5, 7, and 4 don't come in the same times table. So 5 times 7 in the numerator and 4 times 3 over here. So that's 35 over 12. We divide 35 by 12 to convert it into a mixed number. So 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. So 12 times 2, 24. Subtract the 2, 11. So as given the question, the answer is 2 whole number, 11 over 12. With that, we're done with fractions. This is the basic type of fraction question that you will get in your IGCSE or GCSE maths exam. You need to know how to convert an improper to a mixed number and vice versa. You need to know how to add or subtract fractions with unlike denominators. You need to know how to divide fractions. You need to know how to simplify fractions. These are very important things. These are very important things and can even help those who are in year 7, year 8, or even year 9. You don't necessarily have to be in year 11 or 10 to revise these. You can start early and work on your basics and make sure that your basics are strong.